So, what can and can't you store in your unit at Arcos Storage? The good news is, you can store just about all the essentials: household items, furniture, appliances, seasonal decor, boxes, business supplies, and even vehicles at select locations. That makes it perfect whether you're decluttering, moving, or just need extra space. But there are some important rules. You can't store hazardous materials, flammable or explosive items, illegal goods, or anything perishable like food. Those restrictions are in place to protect you, your neighbors, and everyone's belongings. If you're ever unsure about a particular item, our team at Arcos Storage is always ready to help clarify before you move in. Ready to clear space the safe way? Visit arcosstorage.com today. Check unit availability near you and store only what's meant to be stored. Safely, securely, and with peace of mind.